Hi there, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we will be primarily focusing on achieving wheels pose, which is also called as Chakrasana. For that, you need a yoga mat, yourself, and a will to practice with me. Let's get started. Step 1, warming up your wrist, shoulder, and upper body. Rotate clockwise, anti-clockwise 5 to 10 rounds. Make big circles towards your side of your body and then bring back to the center position. Remember to shake your hands, focus extra on your wrist by locking your fingers inside and extending them out. Now time to warm up your shoulder. Take your one hand above your shoulder, go against the motion and create a better range of motion for your shoulder. Remember to practice from both the sides. Take left hand on top of left shoulder and go back to the left and then back to the center. Same, go back to the left, back to the center. You can practice up to 3 to 5 rounds from each shoulder. Back to center. Now our second goal is to warm up our spine. For that, get on your fours, hips and knees in a line, shoulder and palm in a line. And now with inhale, you look up, and with exhale, you look towards your navel and round your spine. Inhale, exhale, inhale, and exhale very gently. You can keep your toes pointed outwards or tucked in. Exhale, and now relax on Vajrasana. From here, get on to child pose for stretching your upper body really well, for creating the best mobility for your upper body. Take your palms on back of your shoulder blades and do it a couple of times with a great control and with a breath awareness. Your goal is to engage your shoulders to best of your capabilities. And now relax a bit and sit up straight. From here, our third goal is to warm up our hamstrings, hips, while engaging our core and bringing a lot of awareness in the core. Get into a lizard pose and do some lifts on the back of your leg. You can continue this practice while keeping the knee on the mat as well. But remember to engage your core throughout the practice, which means you feel when you breathe through your core. Try to keep your spine as neutral as possible and change your sides. On each side, you practice up to 8 to 10 rounds of lizard poses, which means you lift your back leg up and forth every time. You can continue holding it while keeping the knee down as well. And on the last round, you primarily focus on holding the posture but continuing to breathe. This is an extremely great drill for your hips, hamstring, and for bringing a lot of awareness in your core, like here I am holding the lizard pose. And gradually drop your knee, bring the left foot back and sit up straight. Now is the actual time to practice the wheel pose as our body is pretty warmed up. Lie down on your back. Take your body awareness first before you practice it. Keep the legs active, your neck without any strain, palms, fingers opened up, not closed enough, and your palm always right next to your shoulder, not next to your head. And when you inhale, you gently lift up. You can choose to lift halfway, that's a modification. And when you hold the wheel pose, you continue breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep your core engaged, legs and palms grounded on the mat. And 5, gently drop your head first and gently, with control, come out of the wheel pose. Remember to take a couple of breaths before you practice again. And again, keep your palms right there. Inhale and with control lift up. This time try to go higher than last time and try to look in between your thumb fingers. Keep your heels grounded and continue to breathe for up to 5 rounds. And when you feel you're ready, first drop your head with control and come out of the pose. Immediately hug your knees for a gentle forward fold for relaxing your spine from the back bend which you've done right now from the Chakrasana. Hold this for up to 5 breaths and then relax. Remember to always practice a forward fold after a back bend. And extend your leg, connect with your breath, focus on longer exhalations. You can choose to keep your hands above your belly or at chest or away from the body, palms facing upwards to the ceiling. Continue to relax for a bit and practice as long as you want, or whenever you feel ready, you can come out of the Savasana very gently. I hope you had a good practice with me and you continue practicing wheel pose and you get better at it. If you liked anything about this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and continue practicing. And like I always say, I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, keep practicing and bye-bye.